Welcome back guys, this is your boy Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to do a conversion program. So we will convert from pounds to kilograms, and we will convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So one of the formulas for Fahrenheit to Celsius is going to be, we will comment this out, C is equal to this, and the second one is 1 lbs is equal to how many kilos? 0.4535. So let us create two functions. We will create convert underscore to underscore kilos, and this will take a number and it will return number into 0.4535. So this will convert it into kilograms. The second one is define convert to Celsius, which will take a temperature and it will return temperature minus 32. This is going to be in brackets, so it is calculated first, and into 5 divided by 9. So let's make things easier. Put this in answer and return answer. We have two functions to convert to kilograms and Celsius, and we will take the input lbs is equal to int of input, enter weight in lbs, and we will do the same thing for f. And let's print an answer underscore kilos, kgs is equal to convert to kilos, and we will pass in lbs, convert to Celsius, temperature, not temperature, F, which is our Fahrenheit, print and we will print this again, F Fahrenheit is Celsius. Let's see how this works. I'll put 100 lbs and temperature 68. So 100 lbs is 45.35 kilos and 68 Fahrenheit is 20 degrees Celsius. One thing I would change is bring this right after I take the lbs. I will pass it and print out the answer. Then we will take the Fahrenheit and convert it. So let's go for 200 lbs and it's 90.7 kgs. Temperature, let's go for 90 and it's 32.22. We will do this again. Let's do 300, 136, and 100 degrees Fahrenheit is 37 degrees Celsius. So pretty easy program, like you can see. It's a good practice program. Keep doing these programs, keep writing more functions, because it's easier to organize the code and it helps you learn new things and gives you a proper structure to your script. So that is it for this video guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.